I'm tired of this mess. Cat shedding. I've talked to a lot of loving cat parents over the last couple of years, including some of y'all cool cats. And I can't say that I've met one person that enjoys this part of having a cat. Pain in the butt. So today we're going to talk about some causes for this and some things that you can do to combat. But if you are serious about eliminating shedding altogether, you definitely want to stick around to the end. I'll share a rarely discussed fact on how you can have that loving pet that doesn't shed at all. Guaranteed. I'm going to go find out what other people are doing about this. I need some help. Don't y'all? Now, cat shedding is a normal, natural event in a cat's life because the hair growth cycle allows each hair to grow, rest, die, and then fall out. Cats that go outside typically shed more twice a year. In the spring to lose that heavy winter overcoat, and in the fall to prepare for the grow-in of next winter's undercoat. Indoor cats can be in a constant state of shedding because they are exposed to both heat and air conditioning, which confuses their biological system. Sometimes cats can shed excessively. Even though this gets on your nerves, it's usually not that serious and it's treatable. Some of the causes are allergies, skin, food, and environmental allergies may cause cats to scratch and itch a lot. Leading to excessive shedding or hair loss. They can even develop a skin infection. Even though allergies aren't 100% curable, they can be managed with medication and diet. Metabolic disease. Metabolic disorders such as kidney disease or hyperthyroidism can cause hair loss in cats. These disorders are not curable, but when caught early, they can be treatable for some time. Fleas. Fleas, ticks, mice, and lice are parasites that may lead to bald spots or sores. They're a pain in the butt, causing red bumps, intense itching, and hair loss. If you suspect that your cat has any of these, talk to your vet about safe and effective treatment. So tell me, how do you manage your cat shedding?
I don't usually. I just let her
Just
shed.
let it happen.
Yeah, but I do brush her occasionally, and she really loves that.
Okay.
So I use one of those U-shaped ones. It's like for a horse.
Yeah.
And
I had one of those.
and my cat loves it. I did it yesterday, in fact.
Okay.
She just lays there and yeah.
So let me ask you, how do you manage shedding?
If I were to manage shedding, either it would be brushing my cat or dog just regularly on occasions to maintain the hair and keep it collected so it doesn't get everywhere all over the place. Or I would try to vacuum or something like that, or try to, the roller thing?
Yeah.
To get it off. Just try to manage it and try to keep it under control so it doesn't get everywhere.
Ringworm. Ringworm is not actually a worm, but a fungal infection that causes a scaly ring of missing hair. It's painless, but very contagious amongst cats, dogs, and humans too. There are shampoos and creams that your vet can prescribe to treat ringworm. And then there's stress and boredom. Hair loss resulting from stress is called alopecia. When cats are extremely stressed, they may also obsessively groom themselves, leading to bald patches or skin irritation. Treatment for alopecia focuses on stress reduction. Look here, man. We need to talk. I mean, you cool and all, but I'm tired of you messing up my clothes. It's the hair, bro. The fur. It's on everything, everywhere, all the time. You need to stop. Really, though. Some stuff I can't get it out. Really, it's a problem. We can handle this one of three ways. I'll give you the option. One, you can just stop shedding. That would be the best option, but hey, that's me. Two, if you must do it, in the future, I'm going to ask you to step outside. Take a shed break. You know how you see people stepping outside to take a smoke break? Yeah, like that. Or three, you gotta start making some money. Cleaning or replacing ain't free. There's a job application. If you're anything like me, you're just tired of all this crap. How do you get it to stop? Well, here are some ways to slow it down. Keep your cat hydrated. This isn't as easy as it sounds. Keeping them hydrated can improve the quality of their coat, along with their overall health. But cats are famous for not drinking enough water. Feeding them wet food can help a lot. Wet food contains a lot of water already in it. Coupled with a bowl of fresh water, now you got some. Brush them regularly. Simply brushing your cat regularly makes a huge difference in their shedding. It also minimizes hair balls. Brushing removes dead hair, dirt, and dander. It's also a good way to give them some attention. How about giving them a bath? You're a brave soul. I'll give you that. Upgrade your cat's diet. A poor diet is a possible cause of excessive shedding. Lack of proper nutrition leads to a brittle, dry coat. The first thing to focus on would be to increase their omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This improves the overall health of the hair follicles and decreases the amount of hair that is shed. Less hair on your clothes for you and less hairballs for them. So let me ask you a question. How do you manage shedding?
I just brush her every day.
Brush her every day? That's simple. There you go. These people don't know what they talking about. But don't worry, guys. I haven't forgotten the promise I made to y'all at the beginning. So are you ready to learn how you can have a loving pet that doesn't shed at all? Guaranteed? Get yourself some fish.